Hey everyone, this is Trayman here. Today we're going to do an unboxing video here. We're going to see what it is here. And yeah, let's get this on. Let's get this open up here, shall we? See what it is. Oh yeah. I wanted one of these right here. I was gonna get the other one, but I decided to get this one. Oh yeah, look at this. This is the Lionel number 655 sliding door boxcar here for the tinplate era. But look how nice it is here. How cool is this? Got your latch couplers here. Yeah, this one needs some work. Got the brake wheel, ladder. How nice it is. This will be put into active service on and pretty much the temporary O gauge loop here. So I just want to show you guys this little Lionel 655 boxcar. And I hope you guys enjoy this vid, and I hope you guys take care and have a nice one. And we'll see you on my next vid. See you later.